Who's the cutest cooking show host ever?
Caitlin and Drew!
Yay! So here we are today making cupcakes. Even though this is a cake box, but we're making
cupcakes.
Cupcakes. So we already have mixed our eggs, oil, and batter into this
1
bowl.
cup water, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and 3 large eggs.
Into this.
Can't see it.
I don't want to spill it.
Don't dump it on You would do
Okay.
that.
And so now we're about to put. Let's see. We're about to put 1 cup batter into a small bowl.
This is amusing me.
Do we just like dump it in here? Get a cup out? Or what?
No,
Okay, let's get a spoon. Okay, we're gonna get a spoon. And we're gonna put a cup batter in this so we can make our chocolate swirl.
It's exactly 1 cup.
Oh my gosh. It's kind of complicated. Just putting it on my arm right now.
Sorry.
And I can lick it off. Because this batter's
And
very
whenever you
heavy.
do this, be sure not to lick the spoons until after you're done.
Yeah, because no one wants spit in their food. Because that's gross.
That's nasty.
Okay, we almost have 1 cup. Almost. Almost. Oh, but just like 1 more spoonful.
It's
All
the
right.
worst cooking show ever.
It's the best cooking show ever. Okay, so we have our 1 cup of batter. We're going to pour it into this
Just
bowl. Yay!
What a healthy choice this is. You find it?
Okay, here, help me. Help me. No, you hold the bowl. You hold the bowl.
Hold the bowl.
Hold it, don't drop it.
I'm not dropping the bowl.
Okay. All right, this is good enough. Okay, so here we go. We have our bowl. And now, I wonder how long this video is. Oh, it's already kind of long. Oh well. Okay, so now in this bowl, we're going to put our chocolate swirl mix. See?
Chocolate.
Going in the bowl.
Nice play-by-play.
And
I'm gonna scoot back a little bit. I don't even know what we're doing.
And now I don't really know what we do.
Well, it says
So, hold up. Click on that when you're done.
Okay,
Go.
these commercials will involve painful effects, and please do not try this at home. Oh, ow, oh, ow, 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 ow. Am I done yet?
Oh,
And we're back.
And we're back. I don't. Are you sure we don't do it like others? Oh no, this is working. This is working.
Which is
better than Rachel Ray?
Wait, are you sure we don't mix up the?
Oh yeah, better than Rachel Ray.
Yeah, and that Paula Deen with the creepy eyes. I'm Paula Deen.
I think they're more Rachel Ray. They're too energetic.
What if we had our own show, our real own show? And we do have our own show, but what if we were on TV? Yeah, we'll have a cupcake show. How to stay fit. Today we're making cupcakes. All right.
Watch for the nutrition values.
Oh, we forgot to pour our batter in the
Oh.
in the thing. So be right